Hi kids, welcome to today's lesson. We're going to learn how to use where and when to ask questions. Let's get started. Where is used to ask about a place. Let's look at some examples. Look at the car. Where is the driver? The driver is in the car. Great job now. See this rabbit. Where is the rabbit? The rabbit is on the chair. Well done. Look at the cat. Where is the cat? The cat is on the bed. Excellent. Finally, see this girl climbing a tree. Where is the girl? The girl is climbing the tree. Fantastic. When is used to ask about time? Let's see some examples. Look at this boy waking up. When do you wake up? I wake up at 6 o'clock. Great. Here's a boy having breakfast. When do you take your breakfast? I take my breakfast at 7 o'clock. Excellent. Look at the boy going to school. When do you go to school? I go to school at 8 o'clock. Wonderful. Now, see this boy playing. When do you play? I play in the evening. Fantastic. Finally, look at this child going to bed. When do you go to bed? I go to bed at 9 o'clock. Amazing. That's all for today, kids. Now you know how to use where to ask about places and when to ask about time. Keep practicing with your family and friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time. Bye-bye.